Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cars fly. Imagine a world where your daily commute takes to the skies, bypassing all ground traffic. This concept, once science fiction, is steadily moving towards reality. We'll explore the fundamental ideas behind transforming a regular car into an aerial vehicle, focusing on the core principles that enable flight and the considerations for future implementation. To achieve flight, a car needs two primary forces, lift and thrust. Lift can be generated by fixed wings, similar to an airplane, or by multiple powerful rotors, like a helicopter or drone. Thrust, which propels the vehicle forward, comes from engines or electric motors. An efficient design also minimizes air resistance, allowing the vehicle to move smoothly through the air with less power. Powering a flying car is a significant challenge. Electric propulsion, using advanced battery technology, offers a clean and quiet solution, ideal for urban environments. However, the weight and energy density of batteries are crucial factors for achieving sufficient flight range and duration. Hybrid systems, combining traditional fuel with electric power, are also being explored to extend operational capabilities and provide more robust performance. Ensuring safety is paramount for any flying vehicle. Sophisticated computer systems are essential for maintaining stability and control during flight, automatically adjusting for wind and other factors. Robust navigation and communication systems will prevent mid-air incidents and guide vehicles along designated air corridors. Furthermore, comprehensive regulatory frameworks will be established to manage air traffic and certify these innovative vehicles for public use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.